Hi, my name is Ed Hall. Welcome to the WaveLinx LITE 7.0 Acoustic Ceiling Sensor status in standalone mode. To obtain the ceiling sensor status, open the WaveLinx LITE mobile app in standalone mode. Tap Occupancy Status from the screen or the menu. A scan will immediately start. Once the scan completes, the closest device will show the strongest signal indicator. Tap the Identify icon next to the device to verify that the correct device responds. The sensor LEDs will flash magenta and the load cycles on and off for 15 seconds. Now let's review the sensor last status and live data. The screen will display the last occupancy status of the sensor, along with the current hold time, and will not update automatically. To change to live updates, tap the checkbox next to the desired sensors or choose Select All. Tap on Live Data to cause the status hold time to update every 5 seconds. Tap Stop to end the status refresh. Thank you for reviewing the WaveLinx LITE 7.0 Acoustic Ceiling Sensor Status presentation, and I hope this has been educational.